Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 4.2 up to question number 2nd. Today we will discuss question number 3rd and 4th beta. So look at the question number 3rd beta. In the question number 3rd, you have to find the unit digits of the cube root of the following given perfect cubes. Okay, here you do not have to find the cube root beta. You have to only find the unit place digit in the cube root of given number. Okay, to find the unit place digit in the cube root of the given number, we will use the property of cube of the number. Okay, and the properties is beta if any number having unit place digit out of 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 9, then the unit place digit in the cube root is also 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 9 respectively. Respectively means beta, if the unit place is 0, then the unit place in cube root is also 0. If the unit place in the given number is 1, then the unit place digit in the cube root is also 1. If the unit place digit is 4 in the given number, then the unit place digit in the cube root is also 4. As like 0, 1, 4, if a number has unit place digit is 6, then the unit place digit in the cube root is also 6. If the digit at unit place is 5, then unit place digit in cube root of that number is also 5. If the digit at unit place in number is 9, then unit place digit in the cube root of the number is also 9. Okay, now if we have to find the cube root of a number having unit place digit 2, then the unit place digit in the cube root is 8, and if the unit place in the given perfect cube number is 8, then the unit place digit in the cube root is 2. Okay, in the same manner, if the unit place digit is 3 in the given number, then unit place digit in the cube root of the given number is 7, and if we have reverse, that means if the given perfect cube number has unit place 7, then in the cube root of that given number unit place digit must be 3. Okay, so this is the property which we used to solve the question number 3rd beta. So look at the solution of question number 3rd. Look at the A part. In the A part we have given 4096. What is the unit place digit? 6. This implies that cube root of this number has also 6 as unit place digit. Okay, so the answer is 6. In the B part, what we have? We have 125,000. The unit place is here 0. This implies that unit place in the cube root of this number is also 0. So the answer of B part is 0. In the same manner beta, the unit place digit in the C is 8, in the D is 7, because unit place digit in the D part is 3. In the D part what we have? 4913. Unit place digit is 3. This implies in the cube root unit place digit is 7. Okay, the remaining question are same as like these part beta. Try to do them by yourself. Now we will move on the question number 4th beta. look at the question number 4th. Find the cube root of the following number using estimation. Here we have to find the cube root. By estimations. Okay, here we have to use estimation and find the cube root of given number. Okay, now let us take B part of this question. B part 2197. To find the cube root of this number by estimation, firstly we have to check the unit place digit. Okay, so unit place digit is equal to 7. Here it is beta given na. Then what we can say, unit place digit in the given number is 7. This implies that unit place digit in the cube root of this number is 3. Okay, so after doing this beta, remove the last 3 digits of the given number. What are they? 7, 9 and 1. Then what we have? We have only 2. Now find two numbers such that 2 lies between their cubes. Okay, we have to find two numbers such that 2 lies between their cubes, 1 and 2, because cube of 1 is equal to 1, which is less than 2, and cube of 2 is 8, which is greater than 2. Okay, so 2 lies between the cubes of 1 and 2. So after doing this, we have to choose the smaller number. So what is the smaller number between 1 and 2? 1 is smaller. This implies beta 3 is our unit place digit and 1 is our 10 place digits. Okay, so 13 is our required answer, and you can say that cube root of 2197 is equal to 30. So the solution of B part of your question 4th is this beta. Okay, I hope you will get it. This is the way by which you will have to find the cube root of the given question. Now let us take one more example. C part beta. What we have in the C part? Minus 74088. Okay. As you all know, cube of a negative number is negative. Cube of a negative number is negative. In the same manner, cube of a positive number is also positive. Here we have given a negative number. This implies that cube root of this number is also a negative number. Okay, this negative sign indicates us that the cube root of this number is negative. So simply we will find the cube root of 74,088 and then put the negative sign in front of the given answer. That will be our required answer. Okay, so find the cube root of this number. To find the cube root of this number by estimation, firstly we have to check the unit place digit. Here we have unit place digit 8. So unit place digit is 8. This implies that unit place digit in cube root of this number, cube root of this number is equal to 2. Okay, so unit place digit is 2. From the unit place we have found the unit place digit of cube root, and that is 2. Now what we have to do, we have to erase the last 3 digit 8, 8 and 0. Then what we have only 74. After this we have to find two numbers such that 74 lies between their cubes. So 4 and 5 are the number such that 74 lies between their cube. 4 cube is 64, which is less than 74, and 5 cube is equal to 125, which is greater than 74. So after doing this we have to choose the smaller number. So 4 is the smaller number between 4 and 5. So the required cube root of this number is equal to 42. We have to treat this smaller number as tens place number. Unit place number in cube root is 2 and tens place number is 4. So the required answer is 42. So this is the cube root of positive number. And if we have to find the cube root of negative number, then what we have to do? We have to put the negative sign in front of the 42. So the required solution of C part of your question number 4th is this beta. I hope you will get it. This is the required solution of your C part of 4th question. The remaining part of this question are same as like this question beta. Try to do them by yourself. If you have any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in the live class session. Thank you. Have a nice day.